Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Luxury Divas for July. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay you guys, so my July Luxury Divas just arrived and I'm so excited to see what type of accessories we're going to have. Last month was really cool. It was all summer theme, perfect for the summer. So we're still in summer. Let's see what we have this month. Now they do come with a mailer bag, which I do remove, and then the box is inside. And if you do not know about Luxury Divas, this is my 6th box. They are $35 a month if you just want to do a one-time box. If you want to do a month-to-month subscription, it's $30 a month. And I have a code that is Crafty5, which will get you $5 off your first month's box, making your first month's box only $25. And you always get at least $100 worth of accessories, all different types from your feet on up to the top of your head, anything you can imagine. And they do have a styling profile that you do fill out with your colors, your size, your likes, your dislikes, and all of that good stuff. So it's tailored to you. So without further ado, let's get into this guy. So when you open it up, there is that right on top. They always do give some type of a little candy or a little something, and this time we have a Luxury Divas chapstick, which that is really cool. My curator for my box is Marina, and I believe she's done my last few, and she says, "Hello Tracy, this month's box inspires me to get out and do things. I hope it does the same for you. Can't wait to hear what you think. Happy 4th. Love, Marina." Luxury Divas. And I think that's amazing that they always give you a handwritten personalized card in your box. Then you have the LD Insider, which goes over the new items for this month and what you can get. And let's go ahead and see. They do put in your thing that goes over your entire box, and it looks like my total retail value is $129, and the theme for this month is Go Explore to July 2019 LD box. This is my sixth box. And yes, last month I did tell you guys they are the subscription winner for Best Women's Fashion, and they did put that little logo right there on this month, and I am so pleased that they did, because you know they had my vote. So congratulations again, LD box. You totally deserve it because you have an amazing box. So after you get all those goodies off, it is wrapped in tissue paper with their gold sticker. So let's get in here and see. Ooh, all kinds of goodies. Okay, so let's go with what is right on top, and that is a necklace. It looks like it has a starfish. That is so cute. Starfish? Yeah. Yeah. My brain is all over the place today, you guys. Starfish pendant, sterling silver plated necklace. This charming starfish necklace is the perfect reminder of just how delicate the balance between man and nature really is. Let it invoke happy thoughts of seashore visits and Earth's natural beauty. Now, if you do go on their website, you can purchase these items directly as well. So this is valued at $27, and it's code JW01513 on their website. So let's take that off. And there is that. That is really, really pretty. Let's see here. If I can get it in the hole. There we go. All right, so I do already have my necklace on, which I probably should have taken off. There we go. I'll just put that back there. So there we go. That is really, really cute. So we have a really cute necklace, again, valued at $27. So next, right on top, how cute, they're little scrunchies, and they have like the little scarves hanging from them. So instead of tying a scarf, you have your scrunchie, and then you have little scarf like tassels hanging. So one is like red with polka dots, and this one has like little belts, I would say, or something, because you see on this side, you see the little hooks and stuff. So I don't know if they're like belts or purse things, but that's really cute. So this is a 2-pack scrunchie headbands. These scrunchie hairbands are fashionable as well as functional. Style your hair with these elastic scrunchies, then glam up the style with the scarf ties. Let them simply hang down, tie in a bow, or weave through your braid. This is assorted $15, and this is code S06794 on their website. So those are really cute. Again, $15. All right, you guys, so now we have, what is this? Luxury Divas. This is a black quilted crossbody waist bag. Versatile and compact, this flox leather bag is just what you need for your next excursion. Be hands-free and ready to shop and explore without carrying a handbag. Roomy interior sounds like a car. Roomy interior and zippered, the adjustable strap allows for wear over shoulder and around the waist. So you have the, it's like that kind of style that you can adjust. Keep that all nice and tight for now. Has the gold zipper on top. And then when you open it up, it has some tissue paper. There is a zipper on the inside, and it does have a pocket on that side and then an opening in the middle. So that is, yeah, I mean, that would be a good thing. If you're only going, you need a little bit of things, toss it in here and you're good to go. So there's that, and this is valued at $20. And this came in an available variety of colors, which would have been black, red, white, gray, or navy blue. And I'm glad I got black because black goes with anything. And this is valued at $20, and you can use their code HB02133 on their website if you want to check it out yourself. But that is really cool. So there's the third item. Next we have, how cute, flamingos. My aunt would love these. She loves flamingos. So we have a set, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 different socks in here. There are some flowers, pineapples, how cute. What are on these brown ones? I don't see. The brown ones look like they don't have anything on them. They're just brown because from the top to the bottom, they just look like they're like a tannish brown. And then you have the flamingos. Those are adorable, you guys. So you have a 4-pack of socks, not just 1, not 2, you get 4. So the 4-pack of socks, Tropical Flamingos Pineapple Floral 4-pack socks. Say hello to summer with this colorful and fun 4-pack of petty socks. These ankle-high socks are soft and comfortable with plenty of stretch. Wear them around the house as slippers to enjoy the novelty prints. And this is valued at multicolored. This is $17, and the code is L03040 on their website if you want to check just these socks out. But those are adorable. Again, $17. Next we have this, and they always wrap everything. Their attention to detail is always spot on. So let's get this opened and see what we have here. What is this? This is a boho print kimono. Yay! I've got 2 so far from other boxes, and this is like a way different, definitely my colors, and it looks like a different style. So that's awesome that now I have 3 different ones and they're all different styles. All right, so get off of there. So this says boho print kimono. This beautiful cover up is perfect for walking along the shore or lounging around the pool. Lightweight and long, just for the right amount of coverage, yet loose and billowy for comfort. Wear it belted over a cami with shorts for a quick vacay outfit. Available in this color right here. The code is CL04521, and it is $25. So that is the print. And let's just see. I just love these, especially if I'm just chilling in my tank top and somebody comes over, I can throw one on and not show my chunky arms. I just love the kimonos, you guys. I mean, obviously it's not gonna look cute with my long sleeves hanging out, but at least it does fit. Oh yeah, definitely would fit. So that is really cool. I'm so glad to now have another style and color of them because I'm really digging kimonos. Never had one before until last month, and I'm like, where have you been all my life? That's what I want to know. So the last item in here is this Luxury Diva Bohemian Beach Blanket. This is the ultimate all-in-one accessory every beach diva needs. With its versatile usage, this throw will become your new summer favorite. Use as a beach towel, shawl, or a hip wrap. Available in black and turquoise, and you know turquoise is my favorite color. So I got turquoise, yay! And this is $25, and you can use code S06793 on their website. So let's see how big this is. Holy moly. Alrighty, so look at that, you guys. That is really big. So yeah, and it does different things. So you don't have to just use it as a beach towel. You can use it as a beach towel, a shawl, or a hip wrap. So there you have it. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Again, we got this 3-fer with this towel right here. We have this really cute kimono, and I love the colors. Yes, I do. We have this really cool 4-pack of adorable socks. We have this really cute necklace. Oh, my other one started coming down. We have this really cute starfish necklace. We have a crossbody bag, and we have these really cute scrunchie / scarf things, which these are really, really cute as well. So that is everything that came in this month's box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, did you get Luxury Divas? Did you get anything different? Did you get a different variation? Do you like what I received? Would you like to get it? Give me all the details down below. I would love to hear your positive interaction with me. Means the world. And yes, so if you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button so you'll see my future videos and everything that I upload for you guys. And until next time, you keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.